Title of the story: The Fox and the Grapes. One hot summer's day, a hungry fox was wandering through the forest in search of food. As he walked, he saw a beautiful bunch of ripe, juicy grapes hanging from a vine high on a branch. The fox's mouth watered. Fox, thinking, just what I need to quench my thirst and fill my belly. He jumped up to grab the grapes, but they were too high. He tried again. He leapt once more. Again, he failed. The fox grew tired, but he didn't want to give up. He backed up, ran fast, and jumped as high as he could. Still, he couldn't reach the grapes. Finally, the fox sat down, panting and angry. Fox, grumbling, those grapes are probably sour anyway. Who would want to eat them? With his nose in the air, the fox walked away, pretending he didn't care, though deep inside, he still wished he could have them. Moral of the story: it's easy to despise what you cannot have.